Good morning, good morning.
What's a cat?
What's a cat? So, what are we gonna do today?
Open up my truck that Daddy got me.
So Mia got a new Matchbox toy. She loves her little cars and everything. This one is a new one. What kind of truck is this?
A Rivian.
A Rivian.
Yeah.
A Rivian R1T?
Yeah, I opened it
Here.
for detail.
Here, we'll get this open for you. Now, a lot of people collect these and they never open them, but where's the fun in that? We want to play with ours, right?
Yeah, we want to play with ours.
So this is an electric vehicle. It's a truck. And they're really fast. Have you seen a Rivian before?
Yeah.
Yeah? Have you cleaned one before?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you remember what color truck that you cleaned?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yes. So, do you like it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part about these trucks?
Because they're fast.
Because they're fast. Woo! Whoa.
They're super fast.
Also, I wanted to show you. You got some new stickers
Yeah.
from Proje.
Can we put these on?
Yeah, we can put these on. And
Can
then
we put these
on
on?
the table, on the desk, yeah, we can put them on this. But look,
We can put it-
you got a new bottle of ceramic wash. And we ordered some towels as well. The towels are a little thin compared to what I thought they were going to be, but they're still decent little towels. We're going to play around, put some stickers here on the desk. Mia's going to play with her new truck. What kind of truck is it?
A fast truck.
Play with the truck. Here.
It went super fast. I want to
We're going to
put
put some stickers up here. Which one do you want to do first? You got a few different stickers. You're going to do this one? Here you go. We're gonna put it up here. Here, I'll move some of this stuff.
right there.
Okay, put it down. Whoa.
P-R.
O-J-E.
What does that spell?
Proje.
Oh.
Then
It's
you got.
another Proje.
Yeah, which one you want to do now?
Another Proje.
Which one? This one, or this one?
This one.
Okay.
Do we have 4 stickers?
Yeah, you got 4
Put it
stickers.
next to the other one.
Okay. Here you go.
But right. Ah!
Whoa.
Right here.
Okay, go ahead. Whoa. That's cool. Which one's next?
This one. This one is hard.
This one's hard.
We'll do this one.
Say bye to everybody.
Bye. Yeah.
All right. Show everybody your truck again. Oh, right. And what kind of truck is that?
A real fast truck.
A Rupesh truck.
Real fast.
It can go very fast. And it's electric. And so, thank you for tuning in. We'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.